Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Moise, and today we're gonna learn how to use a puff vinyl on your t-shirt, your sweatshirt, for your clothing brand, or just for your business. So let's go. I have my design setups. I have everything set up already. So all I have to do is to cut the design and then put it now on the shirt, and then we'll see the result. So let's go. So we get our vinyl on the mat. We come here, make sure we got a design. That's the design that we're gonna cut. That's the markup right there. We're gonna go to make. On this one, we're gonna put mirror on. So we're gonna turn that. Make sure is 10-1. 10-1. I give it a room a little bit so that I don't have to make a mistake on it. And so all we have to do is to just add this there, push it forward. Make sure it works. I want to put it on plus because I feel like my cutter is not cutting it pretty well. So just waiting for it to connect all the way in. Now start it. I always want to like keep an eye on it, but to make the process go faster while this is cutting, I will clean my table up. Hey, wait, did you subscribe yet? If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, and comment on this video so that we can be able to make more video and help us to grow, and that will show us that you like our video and you want to see more. So let's go back. Always preheat the material you're using. So if a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, you preheat it for like 5 seconds. So we're gonna preheat that. 5. Make sure it's just heated up. So now we are ready to put the vinyl on. It's 100% cut. You just push it out. So now onto the fun part. Fun part is peeling it off. But just make sure everything is cut off pretty well. So yeah, so we're gonna peel it up and then put it on the shirt. So let's go. Okay, so when you're done peeling it, just make sure you check your design to make sure you know where you're supposed to peel, because I always make mistake. We peel our design. As you can see, everything is peeled, everything is ready to go. Now we just have to pick it up and place it on our design. The fun part always for me is to put the design on top of it. So we're gonna because this is not sticky, I don't trust it. I'm just gonna put this on it. I always like to double check and double check and double check. Now we're gonna see my first puff. I'm about to make a puff one. Put this on top of it. We can leave it a little bit. We're gonna peel it warm. So let's wait and see. let's see the result. Yeah, it was a long video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and want to try the puff. Go to Express Transfer and buy some vinyl, some puff vinyl, and try it. I think they cost like $6, but you're gonna pay shipping and all that. So I will leave a link down in the description for you guys to go check it out. And so go check out my clothing brand, Faith Love Africa, and show us your show us your support. So thank you so much. Stay blessed. See you.